Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We're here, or I'm here, at Point Lonsdale. You can see the lighthouse up ahead there. That's the Point Lonsdale Lighthouse, and that is the open ocean. And behind the lighthouse, to the left, is the Portfiller Bay, and this is the open ocean here. So, on surfers here earlier. Waves there, that's the other side. About 4 or 5 in the afternoon. The sun's on that side, you can't really see much. It's a pretty warm day. Flew the drone here earlier, and that's basically the sand dunes. It's a 360-degree view of where we are at the moment. It's the lighthouse at Point Lonsdale. The water. Yeah. It's really a hard life being unvaccinated. You don't work, but you get to go everywhere. And yes, I did fly the drone here earlier for a little bit. But it is pretty windy. Oh, sorry. Hello. Yeah, so it's pretty nice here. I'm just, like I said, it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon, evening. And I don't want to head back to Melbourne because traffic will be a nightmare, so I'm just going to wait here for an hour or two, just soak up a bit of the sun and then head home. But anyway, take care everyone, stay safe and see you soon.